Hello, my name is Josh Wong, founder and CEO of ThinkLabs AI. We develop specialized AI agents for the electric grid. Our agents are trained on transmission and distribution power flow for the automation of grid planning and operational processes. Now, grid planning and operations have become more challenging than ever due to factors such as grid complexity, DER impacts, data quality, workforce experience, and stakeholder pressures such as interconnection timelines. AI that is trustworthy and trained on power flow is a very compelling solution to automate high speed, large scale analyses with generative recommendations. The example that I will show here is an AI first approach to dynamic or time series planning for automated interconnections. It is an enterprise planning system, which means while it can do ad hoc analyses, it is even more so built to automatically study the entire system all the time. The screens here you can see is basically divided into a geospatial view, like a map view, an AI Insights dashboard, and also a digital assistant that will come later on this year. First of all, you see the area around AI training results, because as the AI is trained with hundreds of thousands of powerful scenarios, you want to check how accurate it is, as well as how high speed it is performing. And we are regularly seeing 2 nines all the way to 4 nines of accuracy when you look at metrics such as voltage magnitude, current magnitude, etc. And the inference time frame, because we have an AI first approach, we're not calculating traditional Newton-Raphson type techniques, but we are running very efficient neural networks for time series analysis. In this case, an 8760, we regularly see inference timeframes less than 5 minutes. So going into the rest of the screens, you can zoom in as always to see your assets, and you can see the individual assets details, its phasing, its power flow parameters, and its time series graph, in this case 8760. Now, the purpose of these time series graphs is to interact with the data, not export the results through a spreadsheet and run other types of manual work. The entire system's analysis results can be summarized in this dashboard here, such as like total violations, congestions on the lines, etc., as well as generate automatically proposed recommendations when you have constraints such as, again, thermals or voltage violations. Here we're overlaying the energization queue, or can also be an interconnection queue, for either a number of potential requests as well as your entire queue of, let's say, thousands of requests. That is each time stamped with when it wants to connect to the grid. So here we can see, for example, connecting a 75 kilowatt load here, we can see potential violations, and you can see where and how it's being violated. Now, when you have a violation, a proposed recommendation such as demand flexibility, should we curtail this demand as we go based on a flexible interconnection? Should we switch things around with your normally open and closed switch statuses? Or should we locate a battery storage so that it can mitigate its impact to the grid? So all these results are summarized for you, and this can be checked regularly in terms of responding back to the customer and generating reports. Here you can see some of the summaries of the engineering report, and you can see an AI summary of its violations, etc. And you can see details around its load profiles, as well as other power flow and violation summaries. So in summary, what you see here is an automated process to let AI scale the work and augment your workforce. This really is trained to be an experienced co-pilot that pairs along with your workforce. The speed enables large-scale studies. For example, interconnections to get back very quickly to the developer for good customer service, increase confidence over capacity and reliability under various low growth and variable DER scenarios, or running thousands of analysis to support robust rate cases and program design. So I thank you for your time, and we look forward to partnering with you on this exciting journey of grid transformation. Thank you very much.